Something massive just happened. The Esports World Cup Group Stage Day 2 completely flipped competitive gaming economies upside down. We're not just talking about another tournament. This is entirely different. Here's the thing. Old esports models were broken. Teams scraped by. Prize pools stayed stagnant. Players burned out. And fans, they'd move on. Sound familiar? But now, compare yesterday's scene to what's happening right now. Previous tournaments felt local, small. The World Cup changed that immediately. Think about that. The real reason isn't just bigger payouts, it's structural. Teams are building real revenue now. Sponsorships shifted. Marketing changed. Organization budgets finally match the audience size, which means players get actual stability. Let that sink in. And honestly, it's well documented. Search velocity for esports right now is hitting record levels. Wait, actually. Yes. The data proves this event dominates global attention, which forces investors to finally pay attention. They're treating gaming as legitimate sports infrastructure. No, really. This isn't a bubble. It's actual sustainable growth. Across every metric, team valuations climbed. Player salaries jumped. Broadcasting deals expanded globally, which creates this beautiful cycle. Better money attracts better talent. Better talent delivers better gameplay. Better gameplay grows the audience. And the cycle accelerates. Seriously, we're watching a new economic blueprint being built live. Every single match rewrites expectations entirely. Why did the esports team bring a ladder to day 2? Because they heard the prize pool was going up. Okay, that was bad. But subscribe, because tomorrow we break down which teams actually survive the chaos.